Boy, this is my kind of Labor Day. Got the yard mowed, got everything trimmed up, got the water going. Bird bath garden's looking good. Go over here and the rose bushes are looking pretty good. Bay window flower bed is going like crazy. And you probably hear some noise in the background. I decided to fire up some old ham radio equipment. What we got here is just out on the patio. Little 2-meter rig right there, and an old Swan 260 on HF. Pretty cool what I've done on this guy. We got a piece of coax coming out of there. That goes up to the edge of the patio and it's tied off, and what I did was got a wire with a weight on it that I threw way up in the biggest tree in the property. Working like gangbusters. On the 2-meter side, we got the old mag mount on the barbecue pit. I don't know how good it's going to work under this porch, but oh well. And Cole's cooking, fixing to throw some steaks on the grill. Oh, I tell you, 2 meters on this thing is addicting. Listening to a nice QSO. This guy has him a first-class pile-up on 20 meters. They've been going for about 20 minutes. Southeast Alabama. Wisconsin talking to Alabama. I don't know if this is zoom in close enough to see the frequency, but well, I can't even make it out with my old eyes. My kind of day. 7-3.